Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on Instagram's product announcements and feedback notifications so you never miss out on the latest updates and features. Whether you're a creator, a business owner, or just love staying ahead with new Instagram tools, this quick guide will help you get set up in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu or the hamburger icon. From here, a menu will slide out. Tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control all your account preferences and privacy options. Next, scroll down until you find the Notifications section and tap on it. This area lets you customize what alerts you receive from Instagram, so you're only notified about what matters most to you. Now, select From Instagram. This is where you'll find all the notifications that come directly from Instagram itself, including updates about new features and important announcements. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Product Announcements and Feedback. This is the key setting for today's tutorial. To make sure you're always in the loop, simply tap and select On. With this enabled, Instagram will notify you about new products, features, and opportunities to provide feedback. And that's it. You've successfully turned on product announcements and feedback notifications. From now on, you'll be among the first to know about Instagram's latest updates and features, giving you a real edge whether you're growing your audience or just exploring what's new. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.